In this quick video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery door on the PX5 PAPR. Note that this PAPR that I'm showing you today is fitted with the HEPA or P3 filters. It is exactly the same if it is fitted with the organic vapor or multi-gas or A2P3 filters. First, you want to start by opening the battery compartment. Once the battery compartment is opened, you can then twist the battery door to unclip it from the battery door latch. You can then remove the battery and then remove the hinge from the battery door. To replace the battery door, you'll first need to take the hinge mechanism and slide it down inside the PX5 on the small tracks that are located inside the battery compartment. And you want to insert it with the 2 points facing toward the outer side of the PX5. You'll need to slide that all the way in until that slides back out inside the tracks on the inside of that PX5. With that now pointing out, that is where you can now attach the battery door to that hinge mechanism. You simply get that in position and then pull backward until that snaps in place. You can then reinsert your battery and then close the battery door. And that is how to replace the battery door on your PX5 PAPR.